Good morning. It is Monday, July the 6th, 2026. We hope everyone had a nice 4th of July weekend, of course. 250 years as a country. Pretty cool. Kroll family, we enjoyed the weekend. Had some fireworks that exceeded expectations. Some good food, some good friends. Great hangout to celebrate. We hope you had a nice weekend as well. Pretty nice week for the markets last week also. Yeah, it's just nice seeing oil. Oil's just such an important commodity. Seeing that even on the front end of the curve come down, below $70 a barrel, kind of back in line with longer term trends. That's always great to see. Gas prices should follow that over time. I don't know, I think it's kind of silly, but most of you probably notice, like, as soon as there's some type of geopolitical event and oil spikes, the gas stations are sure quick to hike the gas prices in expectation of higher input costs. But then when things turn the other way, right, oil comes down, you have this lag. It takes longer for the gas prices to come down. And yeah, everything I've read, the narrative is, well, it takes the gas stations longer to, it takes them some time to work through the inventory of what they purchased for higher prices. It's like, well, that doesn't quite add up, right? Because they're of course working through inventory early on, right, that they paid at cheaper prices before oil spiked. But I don't know, I think it's kind of, I don't know. You can come to your own conclusions, but gas prices should fall in the coming weeks here. Like, you're already seeing it to some extent, but typically it takes 4 to 6 weeks to get back to where it should be given the price of oil. So jobs report last week was okay. Yeah, the headline number was a bit lower than expected, but the average hourly earnings, which I almost think that part's just as important, if not more. Average hourly earnings were in line with expectations, so yeah, a decent report. So you saw yields on that really not do much. The Federal Reserve, again, kind of in a tough spot, as we mentioned, with inflation seemingly doing okay, but yeah, the employment market is doing well. So it's that dual mandate, right? They're trying to balance the employment picture with inflation. I don't know. Rates are probably where they should be for now. The next move will be interesting, whatever direction they go when that time comes. So on that, we saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average set a new record last week. Right, so a little bit of rotation into some of the laggards. The NASDAQ is still off record highs, right? If, as some of you are aware, like the more tech, kind of the growth parts of the market, a bit of a correction over the last couple weeks. So NASDAQ still off record highs, but kind of fun to see the Dow hit a new record. For the week ahead, a relatively quiet week economically. All right, so not a ton of new data coming out this week. And a lot of times just these summer months, knock on wood, but a lot of times just tend to be a touch more quiet for financial markets. So we'll see. Questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Stay cool out there, particularly if you're down here in Charleston, or I don't know, I guess it's been pretty warm in a lot of the country, but we hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.